Right, what we've got here is a nice, lovely pool that's made by a family that wanted my advice. They've almost finished it and haven't taken any photographs, which is just ridiculous. So what we've got here, we've got a nice gentle profile down. We've just made a timber, recycled timber retaining wall that's weighted down with rocks there, held down with stainless steel banding, so this thing's all firmly anchored. And so we've got a mixture of shop sand and shingle here, gentle slope upwards. The outer edge of the pool is made with scrap 4mm plywood. It's 8 inches wide and nailed to stakes placed every couple of feet. When the plants have gone in, they're going to put some water in. It'll all tighten up. We've already got water in here just to make sure that's all nicely firmed in. When there's a bit more water in, only then will we then cut around the edge, get rid of this extra liner, which is PVC. So we've got these concrete tiles just held in place there just by the sand, but we need some more stones around there. A fillet of concrete would have been better, but they didn't want to use concrete, which I can fully sympathise with. So that's the overliner here. This is the liner. This is the underliner, which goes over the whole area. So that's the structure of it: underliner, liner, and overliner. So this is a pond not designed for swimming, without any bubble pumps, but just made in a similar way. But still, I'd be tempted to get in the summer. Not that they want me knocking around here. After further investigation, they had actually taken some photographs. 4. And this one, called Fingers and Plywood, is actually pretty close to my heart. As the pool is filling, it's a good time to add more marginal plants. Here they are planting iris and bog bean. And when completely full, the excess liner layers can be trimmed right back to the top edge. Now the lining material is out of the way, sand can be pushed into any remaining voids between the plywood and the garden soil. This also softens the transition into the garden. This pond still needs more sand and gravel to make a gentle beach into the water, allowing wildlife to easily move in and out. This method of construction also has the benefit of hiding the unsightly liner at the edge and protecting it from damaging UV radiation. Given some time to become established, this pond will soon become a stepping stone for wildlife in the watery landscape. Additional photography by Francis Robinson. This has been a David Pagan Butler film, and if you liked it and would like to know more about ponds for wildlife and ponds you can jump in, then please subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot.